can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Solana currently trades above $133. Solana in the last 1 year has seen a 558% increase, but the last 1 month has seen Solana ranging. The last month has seen Solana up by just 2.8%. Sol has been the darling of the cycle after Sol had a crazy bear market where it dumped from as high as $260 getting to as low as $8. We have seen Solana reward investors who are patient, who have believed in the project. We have seen Solana reward investors with a rally of more than 2,300%. So why is there fear in the market? Why are people expecting Solana to dump to Goblin Town? Why are people expecting Solana to have a huge crash? Why is there fear in the cryptocurrency market? We'll be talking about that and more. Let's get down to business. Solana right now currently chilling around the $133, but guys, a lot of people are holding Solana, expecting it to go on a crazy run to the moon. A brief history on the story of Solana. Since when it got into the crypto market, we have seen Solana trading for as low as $0.55. This was way back in May of 2022. Nobody wanted to buy Solana. It was trading less than $1, and then we saw the gradual rise of Solana, first rising by 880% to $4.8, then dumping back to around $1.4, and that was the best time to go all in on Solana because, guys, Solana went for the pump of a lifetime, rallying up from $1.1. We saw it trade for as high as $250 by November of 2021. A 22,000% rally in just 322 days. And if you were counting from back in May, we saw Solana rally up from $0.5 to $265. That was a 46,000% rally in 539 days. For context sake, $1,000 invested in Solana on the 11th of May 2020 would have returned over $465,000. But in the crypto market, it's not all pumps. In the crypto market, it's not all going to the moon. We always have dumps along the way. We always have the times where we go to Goblin Town, and that's the times where legends are born. That's the time where a lot of new millionaires are made. We saw Solana experience its first bear market, and that bear market was very brutal for Solana. Solana lost a whopping 96% of its value, and this took around 420 days to be complete. It took Solana 420 days from the 1st of November 2021 to the 26th of December 2022 to lose 96% of its value. And those are the huge swings you can come to expect in the cryptocurrency market. You can come to expect a coin going up by 400 plus X in just 360 plus days. And you can expect it dumping down 96% after those huge pumps. But again, those smart investors that were buying Solana, expecting the drama to continue, expecting the party to continue later in the future, were rewarded for their patience and their bravery, because in this brief cycle that we're seeing the cryptocurrency market, where Bitcoin has only been able to rally from as low as $15,000 to $73,000, where Ethereum has been able to rally from $800 to $4,000, we've seen Solana go from $8 to over $200. That's 2,382% pump in around 448 days, which meant $1,000 invested in Solana would have returned over $23,000. Solana is one of the biggest gainers in this bull market. But guys, with these big expectations Solana had right now, it got a lot. With the big expectations Solana had, it got a lot of investors, a lot of traders. But since the 11th of March, something fundamental has been happening in Solana, which has seen Solana going sideways. Distribution has been happening in Solana. We've not been to break to new all-time highs. We've seen the rise of a lot of meme coins in Solana. We've seen the rise of pump.fun. We've seen the rise of crazy speculation. But Solana has not been able to break new all-time highs. And this is fundamentally worrying. Right now, big players are selling to small players. They're making small bets and gambles in the market. The big players are exiting. The big players were the players that had liquidity down here in Goblin Town. They were accumulating. Remember when we were recording videos of down in Goblin Town, way back in the depth of the bear market? If you're one of those investors right now, you'll be up on your investment right now. You would have made a huge killing. And you have to ask yourself this question, guys. If you're one of those smart investors that bought Solana around $8, will you be selling for some sweet profit? Will you be cashing out for some sweet profit right now? Or will you be holding for Solana to go to the moon? And Solana might get to the moon, Solana might not get to the moon, but my own interpretation of the chart right now is that for Solana to have difficulties breaking above $210 for over 6 months, I don't think this reaccumulation, I think this distribution, and instead of Solana going where everybody's expecting to go, which is to the moon, maybe towards $1,000, which is around another 600% from where Solana is currently trading, I think Solana is heading the opposite direction. We might even see Solana breaking below the $8 level where we got to way back in December of 2022. Why do I think that will happen, guys? I am one of those guys that believe in Elliott wave, the Elliott wave theory. I believe after we see 5 waves to the upside, we're going to see 3 corrective waves, and we've seen Solana have crazy 5 waves to the upside. And right now, I believe Solana is about to start the final corrective wave, the 5 waves to the upside. I can clearly see on the Solana charts a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. And the corrective wave Solana is currently undergoing, we started way back in 2024, was wave A, wave B, which we're currently ending, and we're about to start wave C that will see Solana break below $8, and we'll see Solana erase all the gains we have made in this bull market. Is it very, very bearish? Yes, very, very bearish. You have to ask yourself, guys, all these meme coins we're seeing getting launched on Solana, are they going to continue pumping to the moon? I doubt it. And most of those meme coins that are launched on pump.fun are not going that very high. And news reaching us is that meme coins launch are sluggish. No, meme coin launches and the sluggish Bitcoin price will continue to put downward pressure on Solana, which could be the next major cryptocurrency to receive spot ETF approval in the United States. The Solana token price saw a double-digit decline this past week as meme coin launch platform pump.fun continue to sell its holding. Pump.fun that's getting fees from all the transactions happening on their website. Their fees are in Solana. Right now, they are selling most of their sold tokens for some sweet profit. And that should just give you an insight into the mind of big players that have a lot of Solana. Most of them are selling for some huge profit because, guys, most of the sold they are holding was worth around $8 just around 623 days ago. So right now, they are up more than 1,435% on their investment, a 14x return in less than 2 years. That's a big return. And if you take a look at the general crypto market, we have few coins that have returned that have had those kind of huge returns over the last 2 years. Most of the coins that have had those returns are meme coin, and Solana is one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the market. So Solana has that safety factor to it. You won't expect somebody to be putting $1 million in Bong, in Pepe, in Floki, but there was an opportunity in Solana when Solana was down at $8, and Solana has rewarded those investors with a huge pump. And I believe when they finish selling, we're going to see a huge dump to Goblin Town. It's not all doom and gloom, guys. I believe we're still going to have one final rally that might take Solana towards the $150 region. Maybe we get to $170, but I don't see a new all-time high happening for Solana anytime soon. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market. The next time we see green in the market, that will be a good time to sell. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think I'm overly bearish on Solana? How low do you think the price will go if we enter the bear market and we go straight to Goblin Town? But if you're bullish and you expect us to continue pumping, how high do you think Solana will go before the end of the cycle? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get scared. Don't get greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.